Hi viewers, welcome back to SHS Tech Solutions. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is how to create drop-down menu with submenus using HTML and CSS. What we discuss on today, how to create drop-down menu with submenus with transparent background using HTML and CSS. Before going to topic, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Also, you can directly get the notifications to your Gmail. Okay, guys, I am going to topic. What we discuss on today. How to create transparent drop-down menu with submenus using HTML and CSS. I will explain each and everything step by step with coding. Please listen and watch carefully. Yeah, this is the basic HTML structure we all of you know. First of all, we can check the output of this HTML. This is the output for this HTML. I will write step by step HTML. First of all, I will write HTML. Next, I will apply the CSS for this HTML. Please listen and watch carefully. U class equal to menu. UL class. UL class equal to nav. Li a href equal to href home copy paste home about services products lines contact. Once we check the output for this HTML, this is the output for HTML. Next, here I write the UL class equal to submenu li services right. Once we check the output, this is the output, and next I will write another submenu UL class equal to submenu 1 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5. Yeah, this is the output. Next, I will apply the CSS for this output, this HTML. Margin, padding, body, background image, some images color, and JPG, background size, background, repeat, no repeat, background size, 100% width, 700 pixel, right? Okay, once we check the output, This is the output. And next, I will write the CSS for H1, color white, padding 20 pixel, text align center, background RGBA, yeah, this is the H1. And next I will write the CSS for this menu. So check the class name. First class name nav list style type none, display webkit inline flex .nav li .nav li color white, font size 18 pixel, font family save. This is the output. Here text decoration none, text align center right, 50 pixel, line height 50 pixel, line height of 50 pixel, background RGBA, so check the output. Yeah, this is the output. Here with 200 pixel, only about service product lines and contacts, model button 5 pixel solid, This is the output. Pixel. Next, I will write the CSS for this submenu. Border bottom 50x solid white. Okay, next I will write submenu, display none, here, display none, position attribute, now, li, over, submenu, display block. So check the output. The services submenu, display here list style type Listed file type none. Yeah. Listed file type none. Here this is the submenu one, and next I will write dot submenu one display none. Also check the output. Yeah, display none. Submenu is display none. Next dot submenu li over submenu one display block list style type none. Here, yeah, showing margin left. If it is suppose margin top minus 50 pixel. Submenu one yeah. Submenu one to 26 pixel minus 51. This is the process to write the transparent drop-down menu with submenus using HTML and CSS. I hope guys we all understand how to write the transparent background drop-down menu with submenus using HTML and CSS. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. Please click on bell icon also. If you click bell icon, you can directly get the notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.